Meaning of Grand Slam home run.
Grand Slam home run.
Grand Slam home run.
Grand Slam home run.
Grand Slam home run. A Grand Slam home run is a type of home run in baseball where the batter hits the ball out of the park while there are already 3 runners on base, resulting in all 4 players scoring and the batter earning 4 runs for the hit. This is considered a rare and impressive feat in the sport, as it maximizes the number of runs that can be scored with a single play. The term Grand Slam comes from bridge, where it refers to a winning move that takes all tricks in a single round.